My lashes, they look so long. I got a new mascara to try out, so let's try it out together. This is the non-smudge mascara from Secret, and this mascara is going to separate and volumize lashes with all-day definition based on a lightweight, smudge-proof, non-clumping formula that's easily removed with just lukewarm water. The tube is very pretty. This is what the wand looks like. I'm gonna start off by giving my lashes a good curl, and let's go in with our first coat. This is really giving my lashes length. Do you guys see that? This is with one coat and this is with nothing. This is a tubing mascara. For me, this formula feels and looks really nice. I did my bottom lashes too, but this is just after one coat on both eyes. I'm gonna go in and do a second coat. This mascara is a 10 out of 10. I love the way my lashes look. They're holding the curl. I love the formula. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's like just perfect. And this is a tubing mascara that my lashes don't look really thick and heavy. They look so natural and they're just so long, length, volume. Honestly, every claim on here, it's not clumping, very lightweight. I really like this. You guys should check this one out.